In this video, I want to show you how you can create a new XYZ orientation. You can have the XY plane on any surface you want. It doesn't have to be on the floor, so to speak, of your drawing. I want to put, say, the XY plane on the surface of the side of this leg so that I can drill a hole perpendicular to the surface of this leg, maybe to hang an extension cord on the sawhorse. So we're on the 3D modeling workspace. On the Home tab, look over here at the coordinates panel. I suggest you learn the 3-point method of creating a new UCS first, and I think you'll find it's about 80% of what you'll ever need. And click on the 3-point method of creating a new UCS. Read the command prompt. Says specify the new origin. We'll say I want my new temporary 0, point to be on this corner of this surface of this leg. Next is specify a point in the X direction. Well, that could be this corner, midpoint, that corner. Last is specify a positive portion on the XY plane. When the X and Y are positive quadrant, or positive Y, I should say. In other words, we're saying what direction we want Z to be. I'll say this point right here is on a positive Y coordinate of the XY plane I want. Click on it. That'll make Z, following the right-hand rule, where X is your right-hand thumb, Y is your right-hand index finger, and Z is your right-hand middle finger. So we've got a temporary user coordinate system now. Let's draw a chalk line 24 inches up the side of the leg to locate where we'll draw our circle. There's other ways to position it, but this is the way I use in class. Line up with the 90-degree polar tracking line so we go straight up our new temporary Y axis and type the distance we want to go. There's our 24-inch line. Let's place a cylinder at the top of that 24-inch line. Let's say the radius would be 0.25 to place a 1/2-inch wooden dowel in this hole. All that's left of the cylinder process is, do we want the height of the cylinder to be in the positive Z or the negative Z? Well, let's make it in the negative Z direction. All that's left now is, or the next step is to subtract from the leg the cylinder we just created. That's done with the Boolean procedure here on Solid's editing panel. Click the subtract icon. Select the large object first, enter, pick the object you want to subtract from the large object, hit enter. Let's lose the chalk line before it causes confusion. And there we have a hole drilled perpendicularly into the leg of the sawhorse that we can insert a rebar or wooden dowel to hang an extension cord on. And that's about it. See you next video.